Are also learning more about homicide victim Stacy Talbot's last hours alive.
Court documents reveal he was riding in a car with the 3 people police arrested for his murder. Channel 8 Eyewitness News reporter Bailey Bischoff has a look at the new information for us tonight. Bailey?
Investigators believe Stacy Talbot spent more than an hour in the vehicle he was pushed out of, and moments before he was found lying injured in the street, he sent a text pleading for help. At 8:22 p.m. on October 18th, 5 minutes before police found him dying in the street, Stacy Talbot sent a text to a friend that read, "I need help now. These people won't stop to let me out." That's just one detail revealed in the probable cause affidavit for the arrest of James Richard Howard, one of the 3 people taken into custody on charges related to Talbot's death. Howard was arrested in Leon County, Texas Friday. Jesse James Wilson and Sherry Lynn Thomas were arrested in Clovis, New Mexico Saturday, also on charges related to the murder. Police believe these 3 were in the car when Talbot was shot and fell out.
Details obtained so far lead us to believe that Stacy Talbot fell out of the Hyundai Sonata after being shot. Further processing needs to be done before we can determine if he was shot in this vehicle.
The documents say Talbot got into the Hyundai with Howard, Wilson, and Thomas more than an hour before he was shot twice and dumped near 14th and Judson. Police say they recovered a handgun in the vehicle and during their investigation learned Howard had bought a gun from a pawn shop the day before the shooting. They don't yet know if that's the gun used to kill Talbot.
We are still confirming through interviews both here locally and in Texas and New Mexico in an attempt to determine what the relationships were and what events precipitated the homicide of Stacy Talbot.
They also say they don't know why Talbot was shot or which of the 3 pulled the trigger. Court documents say Talbot lived less than 1,000 yards from where he was dumped. Documents say his home is known to be heavily involved in the use and sale of narcotics, but police didn't confirm whether or not the shooting was drug-related. His family speculated it may have been when we spoke to them the day after the shooting.
I think what happened to him is he just got very caught up in something that he shouldn't have been, and that's how he ended up dying.
They said he had been trying to get sober, and just because he was involved in drugs didn't mean he was a bad person. Chief Blymeister did not rule out the possibility of additional arrests in this case, but he said the investigators are not looking for any more people involved in the shooting. This is still an ongoing investigation. We will continue to keep you updated.
Thank you, though, for the updates tonight. Bailey Bischoff with the story.